everything going on lately, here are some immigration law topics that everyone seems to be getting wrong. First, do immigrants here illegally have due process rights?
Yes, the Constitution grants certain due process rights to all persons in the U.S. And the Supreme Court has ruled several times that persons includes everyone in the U.S., including non-citizens here illegally.
Now, the due process rights afforded to non-citizens are sometimes less robust than the rights afforded to citizens, but they still include several important things like all of this stuff.
Second, can Trump deploy the California National Guard even against the California governor's wishes?
Yes, Title 10 is a federal law that allows the president to federalize the state National Guard, essentially take command over it, in cases of rebellion against the government. The key issue here being whether what's going on in LA rises to the legal level of a rebellion. And since Governor Newsom has already filed a lawsuit against Trump over his deployment of the National Guard, this will be a fact-based issue for a court to decide.
Third, are all immigrants here illegally entitled to a hearing before being deported? Actually, no. While most people here illegally are entitled to a hearing before being deported, Congress passed a law that allows some people to be deported without a hearing under expedited removal.
For example, a hearing might not be required for people who've only been in the US for a really short amount of time, or who've already been deported before.
Fourth and last, can ICE agents pretend to be somebody else to lure people into being arrested?
Yes. Courts have consistently ruled that all law enforcement can use deceptive tactics to arrest and investigate people. And an internal ICE training memo even refers to ruses as an established tactic.
But this mostly applies while out in public. Using deceptive tactics to trick people into consenting to enter their home is not legally clear. This is an ongoing issue and is currently being debated in court.